Hello, Namaste and welcome back. Thank you for all the love and support that you are giving us. Thank you for encouraging me to keep sharing some fun hands-on activities that you can do with your toddlers at home. Today I am here with another DIY book. This is a word family book. As children learn to read, they need to learn sounds of letters. They need to master phonemic awareness and then recognize patterns in words. Let's first know what word families are. Word families help children learn to read, while they recognize words with common sounds. Word families include short, simple words with short vowel sounds in the middle. For example, atter words, anner words, otter words, and so on. This is a fun activity and children will improve literacy skills. Continued practice with word families will help children achieve fluency. Let's have a look at the activity now. Before that, do subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family. Let's make learning fun together. Main supplies of this activity are colored sheets and marker pens. Let's see what you need to do. You can make a word flipbook as large or as small as you like. Here, we took an A4 sheet and folded it as shown. From an A4 sheet, I got 4 pairs for a booklet. The first and the last pages. Take some colored sheets and cut them slightly smaller than the white sheets. Start by making a flip book and showing it to your children. Place all the sheets together and staple them together. On the first page, write the heading. For example, atter words. Think of the words in the atter word family and start writing. Write the first consonant on the colored sheet, while the word family ending on the white paper, as shown in the video. Just like that, now write the other letters that complete the words in the word family. M-atter, K-atter, Just like this, now ask your child to make such a flip book. Muskan made a few books for you to see. Kids are going to be super delighted to make this book and play with them. This activity will help make learning and reading a whole lot easier for your little humans.